Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to download ASUS TUF Gaming F16 laptop driver. So first you have to see this. Open any browsers to Google search box to type like that. Okay, model number. And first just click on this. Then you can see click on support. Then select the model number any, because all the model number driver download and installations process same. Click on driver and tool. Only one operating system showing here. This is all driver, and this is one click to driver download. You can also use this. Okay, you just install and next to install. After that, scan your required driver and it will show, and then you just click to install. Okay, if you need to separate, so you can slow down. First the LAN driver, show more. So this is the latest. Okay, just click to download LAN driver, and it will start and complete it. Then open it, then click OK. Yes, then next next and next and installed. Now driver it is installing, so it is completed. Yeah, you can restart your system. Finish.